So welcome to the instruction how to add tours. So first you have to log on the website with the link I gave you. So we are in the dashboard of the website. So to add one tour is very simple. So you go to products, then we have all the tours. So to add a new tour, you just take a previous one. So if you see one tour that is different price, is because the price is set differently according to the number of people. So if you take a simple tour, so we duplicate. So he will copy an existing tool. So basically you have nothing to do much. So then you have to then rename with the one we choose. So to check the tool, so we go to I will also give you the, wait, because I filed like this. So I will give you the code. So you go on code.com, which is the hosting of the Lombok guys. So sign in, then here you go on sign in. You go on to web hosting. So you go to manage. Then again, this is his website is set now. So you go to manage. And then again, sorry. So you're gonna open the cPanel of his account. Okay, so now with cPanel, so it's all these files. So we need to go to File Manager. Then you go to WebRoot File Manager. So go. It will open his files. So basically, it's all is the page of the website on files. So if you go to his website, is something like this. So this is his website. So if you see his website, it looks something like this. This is his current website. So what you can do to make it easier, so you can just choose one. So now I'm going to choose. So I've completed some of them. So I'm going to choose one that I've. So let's take, for example, okay, let's take Mount Bromo. So I want to take Mount Bromo. So here on my tour, I'm going to add Mount Bromo tour, Bromo hiking trip. Here on edit, I'm going to remove the previous name and then I'm going to press OK. So I'm going to give you the new URL, the new address automatically. So here we have the new name, Mount Bromo hiking trip. Here you don't need to touch anything here. So you need to just, so here we're gonna remove the picture because this is the picture from the previous one. So here I'm gonna add media. So maybe the picture already here or not already here. So here for the tour I already had some picture before. So I'm gonna look inside my pictures and I'm gonna add the Mount Bromo web picture that is already. So this is Mount, no, this is not the, this is Bromo. Here, Bromo. So I'm gonna add the product here the picture, they make it too small, so I'm gonna just make it bigger. And then this is the text from the previous picture, so tool. So I'm gonna go back to the cPanel here for the Mount Bromo. We look at the name. So here the name is Mount Bromo. Okay. So here I'm gonna go to cPanel, and then I'm gonna press Control and F, and then I'm gonna just look for Bromo. So then we have the page. So here we're gonna select. Then I'm gonna HTML edit. You choose HTML edit. So you can access to the editor of this page on HTML. So here. And then, so we can copy because it deactivated the copy paste, so we cannot copy from here. So now this is the information. Is quite dark, but you can see. So here we're gonna add. So here, we're gonna take this one. The first is usually the small text. So here we go back to this page. At the bottom, we go at the bottom. You have the short description. So in the short description, just replace. It's better to you copy as plain text so it doesn't change the formatting. So here we have the small text, and then we're gonna back up. So here we have the rest of the text. You just copy here, copy, and then to the page. Then we go here, and then we paste. Okay. So here we have text and picture here. Then on the right, this is Mount Bromo. So Mount Bromo is in Java. So we're gonna remove Flores and replace with Java. Here is Indonesia. We're gonna remove River Cruise and Wildfire, and we're gonna choose mountain because it's like mountain trip, hiking. So we choose the categories. And then here we're gonna remove the previous image, which is Komodo, and then we're gonna add the, we're gonna add the same picture as the project picture, the main picture here. And then if you want, I'm gonna tell you, make it easier for you and maybe put the picture together so then you can just choose from some folders. So then we have to check here just quickly. So this 3 days, 2 nights, we don't have to change anything. So here it's a hiking tour. And then for the minimum is 2 people. So we saw before. Here we're gonna just change the price, which is here 250. And then we're gonna keep it like that for. So yeah, one more thing, we want to add some more pictures. So we go here, and then we just go here, and then I'm gonna click 2 times. Well, it will open something, then I just save these pictures. So I save it on one folder here, Bromo. So you cancel, then you just take all these pictures. Yeah, like this. So we here just 3 pictures. They are not that great, but you're gonna do the. So here we go back here, and then here we're gonna add to the gallery the picture we just got. So you go to upload files here, then select files, then have all the 3 pictures. So here we open, they will go then add to the gallery, and then we're gonna just wait, that is loading, and then we're gonna add them to the gallery. So basically, it will add to the gallery of the project so we can see the picture. Maybe I will put this in the middle because so it looks like three different pictures. Then we go back here because it's nice if we have two pictures per product description. So I can add media, but I don't need to add a new one. I'm just going to choose maybe the bigger one. So I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm just, oh, mistake, sorry. So I'm just going to choose this one and then I'm going to put it in big like this. So it's okay if it doesn't look clear here, then it will look clear in the picture. So here, you don't need really to worry about that. Then what you need to do next is the last step. So here, you have tabs. So tabs, and if you see the final project page, so sometimes if you are to issue with the connection, so here I'm going to publish the page. So I'm going to add the tool, and then I'm going to check if what I've done is correct. So you can see that here, if I open the page, then yeah, so you can see the picture, the main picture is here. I've added the main picture. Here we change to Java, so it's the new hiking tool, the new price, and then this is the short description. And here you have the gallery picture that we have added. So it's not that complicated. And then here is the project description we have added, and then this is the tabs. So now we're gonna just change the tabs, and basically that's it. That's pretty it. So here we're gonna go back to the editor of the page, and then we're gonna just make it to the custom tabs. So we have the map. So for the map, it's a little trickier because we cannot copy paste. So just what you have to do, you go back to the HTML editor, and then you just go here and then you click on source. So we're gonna open the source of the page. So this is the code. You just click Control F and then you type iframe, and then I made mistakes. So iframe, sorry, iframe. So then basically there's wait, it's not supposed to be like that. Ah, okay. So here it didn't create the map. It's a wrong example. So I'm gonna make another one later for this. So here, because there is no map in this tool, you just remove the map. Okay, remove the tab, so we don't need this. So now we go back here, itinerary. So here, Mount Bromo trip, copy the text, and then we go back here. Here you can put it full screen, so here to see. So here I just copy to keep the same format. If you don't copy right, then it will change the format. So here you just go back, you take this 2 days, 1 night, copy, then we just do this past, and then here you take, for the rest you can take the whole. So you just take day 1, day 2, here, okay, copy, and you go back here, we just select all, and you just pass normal, pass, and then you have the text. Here I'm going to change to heading 4, then bold, and then here I'm going to change to bold. Here same, heading 4, bold, then bold. And then here I'm just going to space here so it looks like it will look better. So here we close the full screen, so we finish the tour description. So here inclusion and exclusion. So it's what is included in the tool and what is not included. So we go back to the HTML, and then here we just copy again inclusion, and then here I'm just gonna add it after here. So then you can remove the previous one. Then we just delete to put it like you will in Word. Just add here, and then we go back to the file, take exclusion and copy. Then here we just take the text again, paste, and then just add it here like this. Okay, so now we have the new inclusion and exclusion. Then what to bring. So we go back here. So here it didn't write what to bring. So I'm just gonna keep it like the previous one. Here, so this was the previous strip was both. So I'm just gonna remove the tab. And here you keep element condition is always the same, so you can keep it. And then the brochure, so we're gonna change the name. So we're gonna Mon promo. So then you go back to the tool page, okay? The tool page, yeah. Mon promo page. And oh, okay. Fuck. What the fuck? Okay. Oh. Okay, so I think I made a little mistake because I should have chosen okay. You see, I chose the wrong one, but it's okay. Okay. Oh, I just chose. I chose the wrong page. So, matter for this one. I chose the wrong page. So for this one, we're gonna. I'm sorry. I'm gonna just find the right one because that's the thing. Sometimes he has the same tool but different name. So in fact, I should have chosen this one. So I'm gonna just open it quickly, and then I'm gonna just here go back, and then you go to source again, and then we can take the map finally, iframe. So here you go down, and then you're gonna see something like iframe Google Maps. So we're gonna just take here the iframe Google Map, and then copy, and then we go back to the page, and then go back to the map. I remove the map. So I'm gonna add a new tab called location. Then here on the text editor, I'm gonna add the map, and here I'm gonna change to 700. So here you can see then the map appears here. So I'm gonna just put it, move tab order to up. I'm gonna move the tab to the top. So here my tab is on the top, and then I'm gonna change to the real one to what to bring. So I'll go click again to source. I go down to what to bring here, what to bring, copy, and I just full screen, and I just go past, and I just add the bullets. You have to delete and Okay. Here, and then here, the last one. So I'm going to back to the page, Mount Bromo, and here he has a PDF. So I'm going to click on the PDF of his existing PDF. He's going to open his PDF. He has a one PDF per tool. So I'm going to just take copy the URL, the address. Then I'm going to go back to my editor. And then here, I'm going to click to link, edit the link. Then I'm going to just paste. So I have the new link, and then I'm going to save all the tabs. You click to save tabs, and then it's going to show your tabs have been saved. And then just go to update the page, and then you update the page, and that's it. So maybe the first time is going to be just a little long, but then after a while, it just takes like a few minutes, not even 5 minutes. It's just like copy paste. So here we have the page tool with the photos, and then here we have the information, and here we have the new map and then the itinerary. So you see that here, maybe I see that the space is removed. So I'm going to edit again and add one space. And then here we have the brochure that opened in a new one. So we have the new brochure. So that's it. And then here, I'm going to just go back here to the editor, and I'm going to just go back to the custom tabs and then to the itinerary. So I'm just going to add one more space, and I'm going to add one more thing that I forgot. So in the inclusion, there's no boat. So I'm going to just change it to so here we see that there is a transfer, airport transfer. So here I'm going to just, but maybe this you don't have really to worry about that. Maybe this I will see later. So here we have domestic airfare is not true. So we can do airport transfer and increase. Yeah. So here we don't have night on boat. So I'm gonna just add here the Banana Hotel, Java Banana Hotel, for example. So one night at Java. So here we have the ship icon. So I'm going to change it. So I've got to Google font or some icons. I'm going to send you the link. So I want to try to find the icon I need. So I'm going to just type hotel, and then basically the name is bed. So I'm going back here and then just write here bed instead of ship. So here I'm going to update the page, and if everything is right in here, we have the changes, and then here basically is all set. So here we have the tour, one night Java Banana Hotel means English airport transfer, project description, and then the new map, the new trip, and then inclusion, exclusion. So if we get the PDF, so if we go back to the website, then you can see is here the new trip. We can see, so even in the home page, we go back to the home page and we have our new trip. So basically it's the same, but for all the trips. So here we have the new trip here. Mount Bromo hiking trip. So this is the trip, the new trip here, hiking trip. So here is just one we just made. Sorry, here. So he's here. The new one we made is here, Mount Bromo hiking trip. Yeah, so this is the new tour. And that's it. That's pretty it. So just let me know if you have some issues or questions, then it's gonna be good. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih.